rotation is a process. Crop rotation is a process in which crop is followed by another crop. Another crop in an agriculture field. Okay, what is crop rotation? Crop rotation is a process in which crop is followed by another crop in an agriculture field. This is called crop rotation. Now we will see the benefits of crop rotation. Benefits of crop rotation. Crop rotation increases soil fertility. It increases soil fertility. Next, crop rotation minimizes the pest diseases. Crop rotation minimizes the pest disease. Next, it avoids weeds. It avoids and controls weeds. What is weeds? Okay, what is weeds? The undesirable plants. Which are grown in regular crops. What is weeds? The undesirable plants which are grown in regular crops. This is called weeds. Next point. It avoids the depletion of nutrients in the soil. Okay, next, usually farmers do not grow only one crop in an agricultural field. Usually farmers do not grow only one crop in an agricultural field. Next, different crops are grown in different seasons. a lot of nutrients from the soil. Nutrients from the soil. Okay, it has seen that cereal crops or regular crops take a lot of nutrients from the soil. Okay, here legume plants are different from the regular crops. From the regular crops. Okay? Why legume plants are different from the regular crops? Now we will discuss why it is different. The nodules of the root, the nodules of the root of the legume plants of the legume plants gives nitrogen to the soil. Gives nitrogen to the soil. Okay? Here, legume plants. The legume plants do not absorb nutrients from the soil. Do not absorb nutrients from the soil. Do not absorb nutrients from the soil. But it gives nutrients to the soil. But it gives nutrients to the soil. Okay, in the legume plants, which bacteria is present? Now we will discuss. Rhizobium leguminosarum bacteria. Rhizobium leguminosarum bacteria present in the root nodules of the legume plants. Present in the root nodules of a legume plants. Okay? Now, the nutrients are NPK. The nutrients are NPK. The nutrients are NPK. N, nitrogen. N denotes nitrogen. And P denotes phosphorus. P denotes phosphorus. K denotes potassium. K denotes potassium. So here firstly the nutrients are divided into two types. One is micronutrients. One is micronutrients. And second one is macronutrients. And second one is macronutrients. There are two types of nutrients. One is micronutrients and the second one is macronutrients. First, what is micronutrients? The small amount of The small amount of nutrients is used by plants. This is called micronutrients. What is micronutrients? Small amount of nutrients is used by plants. This is called micronutrients. And what is macronutrients? The large amount of nutrients used by plants. This is called macronutrients. What is macronutrients? The large amount of nutrients used by plants. This is called macronutrients. Now we will discuss the uses of NPK. First, what are the uses of nitrogen? Okay? What are the uses of nitrogen? The leaves and flowers will arise fastly. Okay, what are the uses of nitrogen? The leaves and the flowers will arise fastly. This is the use of nitrogen. And we will discuss now the usage of phosphorus. It helps the roots to penetrate very deep into the soil. What are the uses of phosphorus? It helps the roots to penetrate very deep into the soil and absorb nutrients from the soil. Now, this is the usage of phosphorus. What is the usage of phosphorus? It helps the roots to penetrate very deep into the soil and absorb nutrients from the soil. Okay, next we will discuss about the usage of potassium. It resistance towards from pests and improve the quantity of smell and color and taste of the
Crop rotation is a process in which crop is followed by another crop is called crop rotation.
Okay, very good. Sit. Zaid, how many types of nutrients are there?
There are two types of nutrients, micronutrients and macronutrients.
Okay. Pavani, what is micronutrients?
The small amount of nutrients is used by plants is called micronutrients.
Okay. Dadri, what is macronutrients?
The large amount of nutrients used by plants is called macronutrients.
Okay, very good. Sit. Kartika, what is weeds?
The undesirable plants which are grown in regular plants is called weeds.
Okay. Deepika, which type of bacteria is present in the legume plants?
Rhizobium leguminosaurum.
Present in the legume plants. Okay, very good. Sit. Next. Amit, what are the nutrients present in the soil?
NPK,
N denotes,
nitrogen, phosphorus,
K denotes.
potassium.
Okay, very good. Sit. And Ajay, what is the use of nitrogen?
The leaf and flower will aerate fastly.
Okay, very good. Sit. Next is one. What is the use of phosphorus?
It helps to roots to penetrate very deep into the soil. Observe nutrients from the soil.
Okay, very good. Sit. Next. Uday, what is the use of potassium?
It resistant towards from pest and improve the quality of smell, color and taste of the food.
Okay, very good. Sit. Now we will discuss about why crop rotation is most useful. Why crop rotation is most useful. Okay? Why crop rotation is most useful? We will discuss now. To avoid the nutrient deficiency, in the soil. Why it is most useful? Why crop rotation is most useful? To avoid the nutrients deficiency in the soil. So, the farmers cultivate the alternative crops. Farmers cultivate the alternative crops. Okay? Crop rotation is also known as alternative crops. Okay, now we will discuss what are some of the alternative crops. After cultivation of paddy, groundnut has to be grown. After cultivation of paddy, groundnut has to be grown. Grown for the cycle go on. For the cycle go on. After cultivation of paddy, groundnut has to be grown. For the cycle go on. Next. After cultivation of tobacco. Okay. After cultivation of tobacco, chili has to be grown. Chili has to be grown. For the cycle, go on. Next. After cultivation of red gram, after cultivation of red gram, paddy has to be grown. After cultivation of red gram, paddy has to be grown. For the cycle, go on. For the cycle, go on. Okay? After cultivation of red gram, paddy has to be grown. For the cycle, go on. This is about the crop rotation. Do you understand about the crop rotation? Yes. Now I will ask some more questions from this. Pavani, why crop rotation is most useful?
To avoid the nutrients deficiency in the soil.
Okay, very good. Sit. Kartika, after cultivation of paddy, which crop has to be grown?
After cultivation of paddy, groundnut has to be grown for the cycle go on.
Okay, very good. Sit. Gayatri, after cultivation of tobacco, which crop has to be grown?
After cultivation of tobacco, chili has to be grown.
Okay, very good. Sit. Uday, after cultivation of red gram, which crop has to be grown?
After cultivation of red gram, paddy has to be grown.
Okay, very good. Sit. Do you understand?
Yes.
Thank you.